What's up, guys? Got something a little different. Hyundai brought me up to Holly, Michigan for the Hyundai Palisades, the 2026 Hyundai Palisades, and I wanted to give you guys a quick look. I'm gonna go over this vehicle very, very fast because I do have to get back. But this is the 2026 Hyundai Palisade. Yes, this is the calligraphy. And I just wanted to go over a few details because if you guys know the Hyundai Palisade, this is a redesigned vehicle. The last Palisade was good. It was great. And this one is even better. Let me show you a few things. The first thing you notice is that paint job. This paint job is called cast iron brown. And what's interesting is it has a shimmer of blue in it. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. Before we get to it, I'll tell you guys right now, I want this vehicle and I want this exact one, the color and everything. But up front, these right here are the daytime running lamps, and it blends in very well with the aluminum trim on that bumper. And you see that huge grille right there. That is a big thing for me. I love vehicles with a huge grille, and this one just looks so stunning in this color. I can't get over the color with this design. You see those beautiful design rims. Those are 21s, and they kind of look like the last ones. I don't know if those are redesigned or not, but we'll get to that when we actually get this vehicle for review. This shape right here seems to go throughout the vehicle, but I love that two-tone mirror with that cast iron brown and that gloss black. Even the gloss black, once again, running up the side of the windows. But check this out. You see the aluminum runs across the top of the windshield, the top of the windows, all the way to the back right here. I mean, that was great design. You guys know me, I'm all about design, and this is, once again, this vehicle is stunning. You can see those aluminum colored roof racks up there, and it looks great. And while we're back here, I love the design with the lights wrapping around. Those stack lights actually complement the front end, guys. And being back here, of course, it has Palisade. Pretty much every great vehicle is gonna have the big name in the back for itself. And right here, while we're back here, the one interesting thing I found out is there are 3 cameras in the rear. You have that one, you have one in there, and you have that one. Pretty much your trailer, reverse, and the one right there will record. Yes, you heard me right, it will record. So I'm building you guys up for this interior. Let me open this door and shock you. Wow, you cannot tell me that didn't just wow you. Look at this color with this looks like it's cloth, but it's like a durable material. I don't exactly know what it is, but it is working. The aluminum door handle with the buttons for the seat adjustment to memory. I mean, look how clean that is. It looks so futuristic with a touch of aluminum right there as the border between materials. And I'll step back, and you guys see it does have that Palisade right there on the door sill. It does have branded floor mats, as you see right there. And look at this seat. I mean, so well designed. It does have all those features like the massage and everything, but here it is calligraphy branded in the headrest with that stunning seat. I like this, which complements the lights, which complements the design on the steering wheel. But first, look at that fully leather wrapped two-tone steering wheel with the aluminum accent. That is stunning. And I love how those touch screens, which I believe are 2 12.3-inch screens, are tucked up underneath this. I mean, it gets away from it sticking out, and I absolutely love the design of this vehicle. When I talk about this material here that looks like cloth, but it's not, check it out, guys. It is on the inside of that, which runs down to those buttons. But I told you, this shape right here seems to run throughout the vehicle. Let me slide over here to this center console. You'll see that arch right there. It's like a capsule, and that design is working so well for me. You do have 3 USB-C chargers right there with 100-watt max that I was told is capped. You have your UVC sterilizer right there like you do in the Santa Fe, which I just had not too long ago. But look at that design up there. Everything about this vehicle says me, guys. It's clean, it's very well done with all these subtle details. Now, it does have that same VIP treatment as the other calligraphy, so that right side passenger can move this front seat to do some things in there. But let me open this back door and show you guys as it continues. The one thing I like is the rear doors are a little different from the front, as you could tell. It has this color. So it is this same material, or should I say same material and print but in a gray. And that was so it was well done, well designed. I love how they have the aluminum border. Once again, I told you everything has this capsule shape right here. I love how this is 2 levels. They didn't just make it one solid strip. They wanted to take everything up a notch. And I see you guys in the design department at Hyundai. You did a fantastic job with that aluminum border right there. And of course, it does have that durable plastic that color matches, which was great placement. This thing feels good. It's nice, thick, easy to grab, cup holder down there. And I forgot to tell you guys, it does have the Bose sound system. But you see these rear seats, of course, they are powered. It has these hard bungee pockets behind the seat. Of course, you do have that USB-C charge capability on both sides with that traditional house plug right here. You do have a compartment down here to store some things. And guys, this thing is fantastic. There is your roof controls right there. Once again, I'll go through everything when we get this vehicle for a review. I love that texture right there that makes it so easy to twist and turn. It has that nice glass that opens up the back seat. And guys, check it out. The 3rd row has heated seats. Do you believe it, guys? Seriously. 3rd row has heated seats. And I'm gonna get back there. From what I'm told, the 3rd row does slide back and forth. I'll go back over here so you can see it. As that shows, that top button is the tilt, and that bottom button, it slides to create more leg space when you need it, or to create more trunk space. Now, it does have that same easy access for that child seat. As you see it sliding forward to let that person out, and it's gonna slide up. I mean, that is power, guys. Come on, Hyundai is taking it to the next level. And you see it didn't collapse to keep that child seat, if you were there with a child seat, in place. Before I shut that door, let me show you guys the room and the space back here. Once again, I know I'm flying through this. I do apologize. Let's open this trunk. I haven't opened it before, so bear with me. Did I go to the spot? Yes, I look like I know what I'm doing. I didn't know those were the turn signals right there. You guys are looking at this vehicle for the first time with me. Look how the design continues to that 2nd row. I mean, there's a nice amount of space back here. You even have a nice amount of storage under here. You could definitely put a book bag and a few groceries down there. Coming over here, you have that 12 volt. And look at all these buttons, guys. First, that just looks premium. Now, this is the first time I've ever seen this. The button for all seats. You do have this button where you can recline the 2nd and 3rd row, which is pretty cool. Or this 3rd row, you can manage them back here. Now, let's see if we push all. As you see, I don't know if you could tell, as these were folding, those 2 front seats were sliding back so they can collapse. And of course, that's the one we linked forward. Look at that. If you guys aren't amazed, I don't know what to tell you, because I am. And right here, you can see the flow of that design coming from that 2nd door all the way to the trunk on both sides, guys. Design, design, design. I wonder if we do this, will it let them all up? Yes, it does, together. Oh my God, I am in love with this vehicle, guys. And it does have that 3rd seat belt right there. Now let me close this tailgate. Of course, the same power, traditional. But look at that. You can see the turn signal right there. Now, I'm gonna come back in here because there's one thing I didn't show you guys, was this center console on the inside. Now, the button is up front, as you see right there. I'll push it. This is my first time looking at it with you guys. Nice amount of storage, guys. Nice amount of storage. I love the fancy, the premium double door right there. And down here, you have even more storage. I bet you didn't see that coming. With the 12 volt charging, I like that little cubby right there to put pens or whatever in there. But guys, this is your look at, a quick look at the 2025 Hyundai Palisade, and I can't wait to get this thing in the near future. Until next time, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.